Hey, what's up guys? This is Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys a DTF Q&A and also a FAQ. So basically, I'll try to bring you guys at least this once a week if everything goes as planned. I don't want to promise too quickly, but if everything goes good, guys, you'll be getting these videos once a week. And the main purpose of these videos is as we grow this channel and as people start to get more and more into DTF, we want to be able to, answer these basic questions that don't necessarily need a video all by themselves, or if they could, we'll address them really quickly to get you guys the main answer, and from there we'll drop more videos every single week to update you guys on the DTF community and how everything is evolving. So guys, for question number one, I got my phone here for the questions and answers and FAQs obviously. How many prints before doing your maintenance? So before you do your maintenance on your DTF, I would suggest you guys look at your print. So let's say the print is coming out right like this, okay? Coming out, and let's say you got some like black ink coloring right here or stuff like that. This would be a proper time to stop the machine, take a look underneath the machine. So just take this off. You can just like lift it up like this. Take a look under your machine once the thing here is like in the middle. So you just start it. I'll just show you guys a quick example because it's very easy. This is gonna save you guys a lot of time, and this is gonna give you guys the proper time to do your maintenance. So just wait for this little thing to go in the middle. So I wait for it to go over there, and then I stop it right here. So to stop it, I just press this main power button, and then from there, if you take off this, you can just put it underneath and you'll be able to see if your injector is dirty or not. Now obviously guys, the camera is not going to pick up the quality for this, but as you guys saw, I just took this off very easily. And if you take a look, let's say with like an iPhone or something, you see that little gray part right there. I'll try to actually get a flashlight so you guys see. It's very easy, just to take the time guys to do it and know what you're doing. So if you guys see over there that little gray thing, as you can see, mine is very clean. I've just cleaned it, so everything is perfect. Just turn this back on and everything will go back to normal. So that's pretty much it for the maintenance. Once you start to see that your sheets are getting dirty, this is when I would stop the machine, clean underneath here, and then also just do a head cleaning. So pull up here and file, and also a head cleaning, and this will do the maintenance, because you already probably did your maintenance with your white ink. I haven't done mine on the machine, but if you guys have done yours, you shouldn't have a problem. There we go. So that's pretty much it for the first question. There we go. And then guys, do you use the same syringe when you're doing your maintenance? So let's say you got this syringe, right? Do I use the same syringe to pull my white, to pull my blue ink, to pull my yellow ink? Now, yes and no. If you only have access to one syringe, what I would do, guys, is I would use it to pull my white. Then I would empty it. I would put water, and then I would do this with water a bunch of times, right? In, out, to take off all of the ink. And from there, you can use the same syringe after it's been dried out completely. Or if not, you can go ahead and just get more syringes so you can do every single color separately, besides your two white colors that can be paired together, since white is white. So that's pretty much it for the syringes. Now, can this printer print 13 by 19? No, unfortunately it can only print 11 by 16. You can get away with a few centimeters on each side, so you can maybe get like 17.5 or like whatever the case may be, but 11 by 16 is really the best sizing to not lose anything when you're printing, because anything bigger than that you might lose, whether that be on the width or on the length. You might lose some details on the bottom or on the top. So that pretty much answers that question. Where can you buy this printer? Guys, I made it very convenient for you guys, and you don't even have to go through Hole Printing. What you guys can do, there's a link down below. It's going to take you to my website or directly to Amazon, and you're going to be able to purchase this printer and any sort of DTF products you'd like. The thing that's cool about this, guys, since it's from Amazon, the shipping is really quick, and also you're doing business with somebody that's already trusted and has passed the test of time. So if ever you do have issues with Amazon, you can deal directly with them and it won't affect our relationship. So that's very cool, and it helps out the channel a lot. So thank you so much, guys, for not only watching these videos, but also clicking the links and buying those products, because it helps a lot to make these videos a reality. So also, should I do my DTF maintenance every single day? Now, this is a tricky one. are you printing every single day? And if so, are you printing every single day like consistently, or is there like a few hours between every print? If there's a few hours between every print, I would do my maintenance every single time I'm about to print. If you're constantly printing throughout the day, I would do it in the morning and that's it. Only before you're about to print. So let's say you have three things to print today. I would print them, I would do my maintenance, and I would print the 3 things. If you do your maintenance in the morning and you print one thing and you wait, you're gonna have to redo your maintenance to get those quality prints each time. So yes, a bit time consuming, but compared to screen printing and all that type of stuff, you're saving a lot of time in the long run. So do you need a DTF oven to make this job? You know, to make this happen? Honestly, no. You can just use a simple heat press and make it hover over your sheet once it's out of the DTF. So once the sheet has passed, you can just put the sheet on here. So let's use this example. There's nothing on the sheet, but just to show you guys the example. And you would hover over the sheet without it touching it, you know? And you need to make sure, because the heat press will touch in the bottom first. So you need to hover, and then after you hovered for about 82 seconds at like 100 degrees Celsius, you turn around and you do the other side to make sure it gets that even contact, since the heat press is more tilted towards this side. So guys, the first installment pretty much done. I try to keep it short so I can like do these multiple times throughout the month. I'll bring you guys a new video about DTF printing and FAQs and Q&As very soon. And also I'll bring you guys direct to film versus screen printing. So is it better to start off with screen printing or direct to film? The pros and cons of each. And yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.